Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I will be creating this look for you guys using all BH Cosmetics products. And as usual, let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so I picked up these three beautiful eyeshadow palettes from BH Cosmetics, and these are the pretty colors that come inside of the Color Festival palette. The Illusion palette comes with 16 colors, and these are all the colors that come inside of this palette. The Summer Loving palette, it has 16 shadows as well. So starting with the Illusion palette, I'm going to be using this blue right here from this palette, and I'm going to go into my crease area. So you want to stay is right here in the crease area, and you just want to blend this part out as much as possible, just to give it like a nice little blend on there. You don't have to put anything else on your brush, just make sure that you're blending this portion out as much as you possibly can. And I'm going like right above that little where I stopped at that blue, and I'm just going to go ahead and just blend that in as well. Now I'm going to be taking the VIP, which is this darker color right here from the Color Festival palette, and I'm going to pop that into my outer V right here. It's just right there in my outer V area. This is where we're going to stay with this color that we have right now. Okay. So the color that I'm going into now is going to be this green. This green right here. Now using the Illusion palette, I'm going to take this green and I'm going to pack that onto my eye as well. After cleaning up my eyes, to do my wing, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics liquid liner. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer, and this is the number 121. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation, and this is in the color Deep Ebony. Because I had already put on my concealer, I decided to put the foundation on with a brush because it alleviates me having too much foundation on my face and having to blend all that out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Dual Cheek Color Floor Blush, and this is what it looks like on the inside right now. And I'm going to put this on my cheekbones. I like it. It gives you that subtle glow without being overpowering to your face. So I do like this. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Stellar Lash Volumizing Mascara by BH Cosmetics. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Muse. Because I knew that this lipstick was going to be rather intense, I decided to pair it with a dark brown lip liner that I picked up at my local store. And anytime that I use a lip gloss or a lipstick that's going to be intense, I always pair it with a lip liner to make it better for me. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. If you like this look, please give me a thumbs up. Also, everything about this look will be left in the description box below. If you have any comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. And if you made it through this video and you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post new videos on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you all in my next one.